Welcome to the voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Jonah chapter 2, verse 7. When my life was ebbing away, I remembered you, Lord, and my prayer rose to you, to your holy temple. This was Jonah when he was struggling in the belly of the fish. He was swallowed by the fish, and he was dying. And he said that when I was dying, when my life was ebbing away, I remembered you, Lord, and I prayed. And you heard my prayer, and from your holy temple, you answered my prayer. Friends, God hears prayers, even at the last minute, at the last moment. In his case, friends, Jonah was dying, and there was no more hope. How can you possibly survive when you are struggling in the belly of the fish? There was no more hope. But he prayed. And when he prayed, his prayer went up to God, and the Lord, out of his mercy, delivered him. And so, friends, in your case, when your hope is fading away, when you are actually dying now, don't forget to call on God. Don't give up. A lot of people say that, well, I give up, and they do nothing more. Well, be like Jonah. Call on God. Trust that the Lord will hear your prayer. He heard the prayer of Jonah. He was in the belly of the fish, friends, but God heard his prayer. So maybe you are in the belly of a problem today. You have a very, very difficult problem today. And yet, don't lose hope. Yes, you could be losing hope. Your faith could be fading. But friends, don't lose hope. Trust in God. Continue to call on him, and he will hear your prayers. And so today, don't be discouraged in whatever situation that you find yourself in. It could be a sickness, a hopeless case. But we are told, friends, that when Jonah was challenged in the very area of survival, when he was so hopeless, friends, and he was dying, he called on God. And therefore, in whatever situation you find yourself in, very difficult situation, don't fail to call on God. Well, it could not be a life-threatening situation. It could be a plan that you have, and that plan is dying. A dream that you have, and that dream is dying. No more hope. Well, friends, don't forget to call on the name of the Lord. Because we are also told in Romans chapter 10 that whoever calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. Yes, he will come to save you, the way that he saved Jonah out of the belly of the fish. See, he was struggling there, friends. But God commanded the fish to spit out Jonah. So he came out of the belly of the fish. And the Lord will command his ministering angels, friends, to pull you out of your problem today. That you may find hope in God. That you may survive. And so, friends, again and again, I've been saying this. Trust in the Lord. Don't give up. Put your hope in him. Amen. He is still the God that performed miracles in the past and will continue to do miracles today. He will not change. His love is enduring. And therefore, hold on to our faith in the God that saves. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May he lift up his countenance on you and give you his peace, his shalom. God bless. See you again next time. Bye.